ഹലോ കൂട്ടുകാരെ, എല്ലാവർക്കും ടാലൻറ്റ് ഹണ്ടിലേക്ക് സ്വാഗതം. കൂട്ടുകാരെ, ഇന്ന് നമ്മൾ ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്യാൻ പോകുന്നത് NMMSC സ്കോളർഷിപ്പ് പരീക്ഷയിൽ സോഷ്യൽ സയൻസ് വിഭാഗത്തിൽ നിന്നും പ്രതീക്ഷിക്കാവുന്ന ഏതാനും ചോദ്യങ്ങളാണ്. വീഡിയോയിലേക്ക് കിടക്കാം. Who presides over the joint sitting of the two houses of parliament? Vice President, Prime Minister, President, Lok Sabha Speaker. Lok Sabha Speaker. Lok Sabha Speaker presides over the joint sitting of the two houses of parliament. In a parliamentary system, the real sovereignty rests in Lok Sabha, Prime Minister, President, political parties. Lok Sabha. In a parliamentary system, the real sovereignty rests in Lok Sabha. If fundamental duties are violated, a citizen can approach Supreme Court, both Supreme Court and High Court, organize public opinion, none of these. Supreme Court. If fundamental duties are violated, a citizen can approach Supreme Court. The right to vote is fundamental right, fundamental duty, part of directive principles, only a legal right. Fundamental duty. The right to vote is fundamental duty. The right order of colors in the Indian national flag: saffron, white, green, saffron, green, white, saffron, saffron, green, white, saffron, white, green. The right order of colors in the Indian national flag is saffron, white, green. Who is the Supreme Commander of the Armed Forces in India? Prime Minister, President, Vice President, Speaker of Lok Sabha. President. President is the Supreme Commander of the Armed Forces in India. Which is the highest court of a state? Supreme Court, High Court, Municipal Court, Metropolitan Magistrate Court. High Court. High Court is the highest court of a state. Who is the head of the state? Chief Minister, Governor, Vice President, Chief Justice. Governor. Governor is the head of the state. Who is the presiding officer of Lok Sabha? Speaker, President, Vice President, Attorney General. Speaker. Speaker is the presiding officer of Lok Sabha. How many members are nominated to Rajya Sabha by the President of India? 12, 16, 18, 9. 12. 12 members are nominated to Rajya Sabha by the President of India. In India, who has the power to declare emergency? Prime Minister, President, Parliament, Governor. President. In India, President has the power to declare emergency. Who appoints the governor of a state? Chief Minister, President, Prime Minister, the Chief Justice of Supreme Court. President. President appoints the governor of a state. Who has the power to impeach the President of India? Prime Minister, Vice President, both houses of Parliament, Lok Sabha Speaker. Both houses of Parliament. Both houses of Parliament has the power to impeach the President of India. Which is the highest civilian award in India? Mahavira Chakra, Ashoka Chakra, Paramavira Chakra, Bharata Ratna. Paramavira Chakra. Paramavira Chakra is the highest civilian award in India. The state formed last in India: Telangana, Sikkim, Mizoram, Arunachal Pradesh. Telangana. Telangana is the state formed last in India. Which is the most populous state in India? Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Gujarat, Kerala. Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh is the most populous state in India. Which is the largest state in India? Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh. Rajasthan. Rajasthan is the largest state in India. What is the minimum age limit to become a member of Lok Sabha? 35 years, 25 years, 30 years, 40 years. 25 years. 25 years is the minimum age limit to become a member of Lok Sabha. What is the strength of the judges of the International Court of Justice? 10, 12, 15, 13. 10. 10 is the strength of the judges of the International Court of Justice. The first state in India implemented Panchayat Raj. Maharashtra, Uttar Pradesh, Kerala, Rajasthan. Rajasthan is the first state in India implemented Panchayat Raj. The main source of income of government: tax, fine, fees, loan. Tax. Tax is the main source of income of government. Which is the Central Bank of India? State Bank of India, Reserve Bank of India, Canara Bank, Imperial Bank. Reserve Bank of India. Reserve Bank of India is the Central Bank of India. Which institution has power to elect the President of India? Election Commission, Prime Minister, Parliament, Vice President. Election Commission. Election Commission is the institution has the power to elect the President of India. The only one union territory have a high court: Delhi, Chandigarh, Puducherry, Lakshadweep. Chandigarh is the only union territory have a high court. What is the retiring age of high court judge? 55, 60, 62, 65. 62. 62 is the retiring age of high court judge. Who is known as the guardian of the constitution? President, Parliament, Lok Sabha, Supreme Court. Supreme Court is known as the guardian of the constitution. Who is the head of the central government? President, Prime Minister, Lok Sabha Speaker, Vice President. Prime Minister. Prime Minister is the head of the central government. Finance bills are first introduced in dash. Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha, sent to President, none of these. Lok Sabha. Finance bills are first introduced in Lok Sabha. To protect social justice and to protect and interpret the laws are judiciary, executive, legislature, none of these. Judiciary. To protect social justice and to protect and interpret the laws are judiciary. Which is the lawmaking organ of government? Legislature, executive, judiciary, none of these. Legislature. The lawmaking organ of government is legislature. What is the function of executive? Lawmaking, executing law, interpretation of law, protection of law. Executing law. Executing law is the function of executive. Who has the power to dissolve the Lok Sabha? Prime Minister, President, Lok Sabha Speaker, Vice President. President. President have the power to dissolve the Lok Sabha. Who decided the constitutional validity of the laws passed by the Parliament and state legislature? President, Prime Minister, Supreme Court, Speaker. Supreme Court. Supreme Court decided the constitutional validity of the laws passed by the Parliament and state legislature. Who has the power to amend the Constitution? President, Parliament, Prime Minister, Chief Justice. Parliament. Parliament has the power to amend the Constitution. Who was the executive head of the state? Parliament, Supreme Court, President, Prime Minister. President. പ്രസിഡന്റ് ഈസ് ദ എക്സിക്യൂട്ടീവ് ഹെഡ് ഓഫ് ദ സ്റ്റേറ്റ്. കൂട്ടുകാരെ, വീഡിയോ അവസാനിച്ചു. വീഡിയോ ഉപകാരപ്പെട്ടെങ്കിൽ ലൈക്ക് ചെയ്യാനും മറ്റുള്ള കൂട്ടുകാർക്ക് ഷെയർ ചെയ്യാനും നിങ്ങളുടെ അഭിപ്രായങ്ങളും നിർദ്ദേശങ്ങളും കമൻറ്റ് ബോക്സിലൂടെ അറിയിക്കാനും മറക്കരുത്. ടാലന്റ് ഹണ്ട് ഇതുവരെ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യാത്തവരുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യാനും മറക്കരുത്. മറ്റൊരു വീഡിയോയുമായി നമുക്ക് വീണ്ടും കാണാം. താങ്ക് യു ഫോർ വാച്ചിങ് ദിസ് വീഡിയോ.